Introducing the XSync, the industry's first pingable report-on-demand monitor. Why is this important? Out in the field, your equipment doesn't wait for you. Tanks fill, levels drop, assets move. And until now, you had two choices: drive out and check it yourself, or wait for the next scheduled report. XSync changes that. It's a small battery-powered IoT monitoring device that watches your tanks, your meters, your machines, and sends their status and GPS location straight to your screen. No wiring, no power outlet, no trips to the site. But here's what sets it apart. Most field devices stay asleep to save battery, so you can't reach them when you need to. With XSync, you can. Ping it anytime, and get an answer back in seconds on a battery that lasts up to 5 years. And no matter how remote the site, XSync stays connected. Cellular coverage where you have it, and satellite connectivity where you don't. So even beyond the reach of cell towers, your data still finds its way home. Solar ready. Built for the toughest sites on Earth. XSync. Ask anytime, connect anywhere. Know everything.